We just love the sun.
We just love the sun.
Really.
Really.
Ein Sonnenfinsternis.
Ein Sonnenfinsternis.
Perfect. No, that's fine.
No, that's fine.
We can water the plants, nicht wahr, Sabine?
We can water the plants. Nicht wahr, Sabine?
So on the word water, remember
Yeah.
to pop a V in there for that sound so that we can water the plants. I mean, obviously, you don't want to make it sound ridiculous, but, obviously you're a German person speaking English and you want to do it the best way possible. So depending on how good your German is, I mean, the majority of Germans when they speak English would be heading in for the "wie can water the plants," because they obviously think that that's the right way to say it. Nicht wahr, Sabine? So like the word wahr, it's pronounced wahr, the W-A-R. So that's why the we and the water is also a V sound. So wie can water the plants, nicht wahr, Sabine?
We can water the plants, nicht wahr, Sabine?
Nice. What's the beach?
What? The beach?
No problem. It's a beautiful garden.
No problem. It's a beautiful garden.
Okay, so on the word beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. It's kind of a funny one. Beautiful.
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 Yeah.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful garden.
It's a beautiful garden.
Perfect. I think you do.
I think you do.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
So it's congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Lovely age.
Lovely age.
And difficult.
And difficult.
That's so generous.
That's so generous.
No.
No.
But now you have us.
But now you have us.
Have. So on the word have, it's more like a have. Hang on. Have.
But now you have us.
Nice.